I got $100,000 cash here for you.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Welcome back to Empty Motivator. Today we're in the library and I'm gonna tell students I'm hungry. The first student to help me, I'm gonna surprise them with $1,000 cash. Let's go. Excuse me. Hey, I'm really hungry. Do you have anything to eat by any chance?
Yeah.
Thank you. The whole thing?
Yeah. I think if one is not enough, I have two.
You didn't give me both?
Yeah, that's all that I have in my bag.
What was your name?
Coyote.
Coyote, Zachary. Why'd you help me?
It's good to be kind to people. I received some level of kindness, and then I think I should pass it around. Even though I have what I'm going through right now, and it's kind of tough for me, you know. This graduate program, I sponsored myself through it, and it's been very tough.
Where are you from?
Nigeria,
When did you move to Canada?
September.
And have you gone back home since then, or?
Oh no, I can't even afford. I'm using my deposit, so I'm about to lose my rent, and it's tough for me.
Are you serious?
Very tough, yeah.
Maybe a hug?
Yeah.
I love you, bro. Are you sure I can have a?
Yeah,
some?
you can have them. You can have them. That's what I have. If I have more, I'll definitely hand it over to you.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do.
How many?
I have 5.
5 brothers
Yeah,
and sisters.
6.
And is your mom and dad back in Nigeria?
Oh yeah, I lost my dad when I finished high school, and it's been very tough for me ever since. And my mom, she is elderly.
Do you miss her?
I do miss her, but you know, I can't go back home. I can't even afford my next tuition. I can't afford my rent. How do I go back home?
How much is your rent?
I pay $550 every month, and I'm using my last deposit now. After this month, I'm gonna move out. Like, just look for a place to sleep, and it's been very tough for me.
What's your dream?
My dream is to own my own business, to be financially free, and to help people.
Do you believe in like karma or like paying it forward?
I believe.
You come here every day?
Yes.
Do you have a computer, a laptop?
No.
How much money is your program?
I still have like 18,800.
18,000.
Yeah.
20,000 bucks for your program. I know you're working hard with school. Since you were kind to me, I wanted to be kind to you.
No, you don't need to. It's okay.
Yeah.
I'll be fine. I'll make it through.
Coyote, I had a gift for you. That's $1,000, man. I know you're working hard, man. For your rent.
Thank you.
Can I give you a hug?
Thank you so much.
Love you, bro.
Thank you so much. You took away my thirst. Thank you.
We were meant to cross for a reason, man.
Yeah.
I love you.
Thank you so much.
Okay?
I love you too. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
In the last 24 hours, you raised over $100,000 for Coyote from the viral video. Now we're gonna go surprise him with a brand new MacBook, car, and the 100 grand. Let's go. Coyote, do you know those $1,000 crackers you gave me yesterday?
Yes.
I wanted to give them back to you.
But why? You don't need to.
I wanted to give you crackers, man.
Oh, you don't need to. I have more. I brought extra to you.
You brought more crackers again?
Yes, yes.
Can we have a cracker right now?
Yeah.
What'd you do yesterday?
I went home and then I cried my eyes out because I wasn't expecting what happened yesterday, and I'm still crying. Like I'm just so glad that I have to pass the kindness around, and I'm just super excited. I'm just super excited, especially for my mom, because I need to take good care of her. It's important. She's elderly and she needs me.
Do you have a computer?
No. I use the library computer.
Use a library computer?
Yeah.
I have friends that came together online last night.
Why?
They wanted to surprise you.
Yeah, I did.
I got something else for you today
What else?
to help you with your studies. I got you a brand new MacBook.
Oh my God. Thank you.
For you, man. You're so welcome, man. Love you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now you don't need to come here anymore to the library to study.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do my things at home. Thank you so much. Thank you, Zach.
You're so welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. I wasn't expecting this. I've never used a Mac in my life. This is my first time.
That's your first Mac?
Yes, I've never had a Mac. Not even an iPhone.
Not even an iPhone.
Yeah, but I'm glad.
That's
I'm
beautiful.
excited. And I will make sure I pass this kindness around when it's my turn.
I know you do. You want to do me a favor?
What's up?
Put this blindfold on.
Oh,
You're gonna come with me. What was your message to the world you told me?
kindness is the most amazing thing that we can pass around to our neighbors, our families, even if we don't know them. As far as they are humans, anyone on earth, we should always pass kindness around.
Well, I want you to know people wanted to pass kindness on to you, so come with me. How much does your program cost in total?
$20,000?
How many?
$20,000?
And how much is your rent?
My rent is $550 per month.
How'd you sleep last night?
I can barely sleep. I'm still crying. I still cried this morning.
Why?
Because I wasn't, I'm on the edge. I wasn't expecting what the kind of kindness I received yesterday. I didn't dream it in a long time. Yesterday was a glimpse of hope for me.
Oh, wow.
Even when I'd lost hope, kindness found me.
You study every single day?
I studied every single day. I leave the library 12 a.m. If I'm not in the classroom, I'd rather be studying.
You're a very good human, you know that, right, Coyote?
We have to put humans ahead. We have to pass kindness around. I wish my mom was here, and then she would say thank you in my native language, in Yoruba, and then she can say eshe, eshe, eshe. I know that's what she'll say, because I believe she's been praying, and I believe she's been hoping.
Oh, if you could say anything to your mom, what would it be?
I love you, Mom, and I'm gonna make you proud.
On the count of 3, I'm gonna have you take your blindfold off, okay?
Yeah,
You ready?
yeah.
1, 2, 3. This is for you.
Zach, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Zach. Oh my God.
That's your car right there.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much, Zach. Thank you. Thank you.
Love you, man.
I love you. I love you. Thank
You wanna check
so
out your car?
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Let's unlock it. Check it out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
How's it feel?
Oh. Oh. Thank you, Zach.
You're so welcome. Can I see the key for a sec?
Yeah, I'm amazed.
This is the trunk.
Mm-hmm.
Hold that. I got one more surprise for you.
What again, Zach? What again? What again do you have?
I got $100,000 cash here for you.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
You don't have to worry about school. You can take care of your mom. This is yours.
You changed my life, Zach. You changed my life. Thank you so much. Thank you to your friends. I'm grateful.
People came together and we did it last night.
I'm grateful, you know, man. House. I'm grateful, Zach.
I know you're grateful. I know how hard you're working with school.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'll keep pushing harder. I'll keep working harder to help people. We just have to help people. That's the only message I have to the whole world. We have to be kind. We have to show kindness everywhere we find ourselves, anywhere in the world. You have to show kindness. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Zach. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you so much. You guys changed my life. I'm happy. Zach, thank you. Thank you so much.
No, I love
Thank
you.
you, Zach.
Love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my
amazing.
God. Oh my God, my life has changed, Zach. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
have a car. Oh my God, Zach, this is how we do in Yoruba land. This is how to say thank you. In my culture, this is how to say thank you. And to everyone that has donated, I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Zach. Thank you so much.
Love you.